Hello there and welcome to the Card Grotto. Today I've got the new release from Clearly Besotted to share with you. All of these items will be available to purchase today. That's the 5th of March 2021 at 8 PM Greenwich Mean Time. You can purchase them from the Clearly Besotted shop and also from Simon Says Stamp. The stamps can be purchased separately or you can purchase them as a bundle over at Clearly Besotted. You do get a discount off of the price if you were to buy them as a bundle rather than separately, and you also get some free gifts as well. So I'll have links to all of the products and the bundle down in the description bar here on YouTube and also over on my blog. I do usually share some samples with you. This month I have taken the month off due to some health issues, so I apologise I don't have any samples to share with you in the video, but I did still want to share the sets with you because I know that a lot of people find it helpful just to be able to see the size of the images and things like that a little bit easier. So first of all, this is the Bake Off set. It is such an adorable set. So you've got cute little bunnies and bears baking away. You've got little kind of kitchen area sort of here, which is really cute, you can have behind them. There's things like shelves and stuff like that, so you can make little scenes with the rolling pin, absolutely adorable, and the little kind of cloche that you can have under the cakes and things like that. A little egg there that's broken, so cute. Lots of different sentiments in this set, things like all you need is love, bake the world a better place, this is how I roll, baking bad, life is what you bake it, oops, bake off, hi, and then yum as well. So a really cute set, can make lots of different scenes with. Next up is the all around farm set. This is adorable as well. So you've got the little boy there who's the farmer, the tractor there and the hay bale, and then you've got a really lovely scene inside of this circle as well that you can add the images inside. Obviously you can use the images separately as well. There's kind of like a little mud thing there which you can have like the pig jumping in, so you've got all of these adorable cute little critters as well. The sentiments read E-I-E-I-L-O, you rock, exo, moo, bar, hi, and you are the goat. Really fun set, really cute. Next up is the pop-up travel set. You've got these adorable critters that can be inside of all of the different transports. So you've got like the train there, the hot air balloon, the car, and then you could make the train. You've got like the carriages, they can be popping up in the carriages as well. Really cute, the little helicopter here, and then the little cloud there as well, so you can create some scenes in the sky. The sentiments read, happy travels, all aboard, hi, yay, you're going places, exo, choo, ha, bon voyage, and then you've got little extra little bits like the hearts and the star and the little kind of circles there that you can add accents to your cards as well. I just think it's an adorable set and lots of different things, especially good for little boy cards I think, or little girl cards as well, not just necessarily masculine, but a really great all-round cute set. Next up is the All Four Seasons sheep set, another adorable set. So you've got all of these cute little sheep here in all of their different poses for the different seasons of the year. So you've got things like the one in the leaves there to represent autumn, one in the rubber ring for summer, you've got one with the umbrella, which is really good for spring here in the UK because it rains massively in April. You've got ones with like the balloon you can use for birthdays, one on the surfboard there, excuse me for getting my words here, one jumping out of the present. Just a really cute set that can be used for loads of different occasions. These little images are really great for cards, but they're really great for tags and to put on envelopes and things like that as well. There are some sentiments in this set. I'm feeling sheepish, I'm sorry, bar, miss you, OX or XO, love you, and hi, and lots of little extra things like the little hearts there and the kind of moon there as well. Just a really, and the sun as well. Just a really great set. Then next up is smooth sailing, and this is really great obviously for people that really enjoy sailing and being on the water, but really a great set all round as well. So you've got all of the different critters that you can have inside of the boat, but you could use the boat separately, you could use the critters separately as well. You've got all of these seagulls, which I absolutely adore, they're really, really cute. And then you've got the fish there, so you can have like the one hanging off the boat kind of thing with the fishing rod, and then you can have the fish being caught as well. Really, really cute. Got the anchor there as well, and the hats that you can add on top of the critters. The sentiments read: sailing by to say hi, seize the day, ahoy there, birthday boy, splash, hi, hey girlfriend, XO and birthday goal, it's time to celebrate. So a funny kind of punny sentiments in there as well. Again, really great set that you can mix and match to create lots of different scenes with. And then last but not least is the picnic party set. Another adorable set. I do apologise for using that word again, but all of Clearly Besotted sets are all just so cute. So you've got the scene here with the kind of picnic blanket area, and then you can add the picnic blanket inside, so you can stamp that. That's kind of not got an outline with it, so that you can add it inside and stamp it in lots of different colours and different inks and things like that. You've got the bunting there, and then you've got all of the cute little critters that can be sitting on the picnic blanket eating all of their lots of yummy food here as well. So again, you can create lots of different mix and match scenes with this set. So that was a look at the March 2021 release from Clearly Besotted. Links to the products that I shared will be in the description bar on YouTube and over on my blog. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.